Now, we know that Kubernetes is a container orchestration tool which is used to manage containers such that our applications are always up and running with high performance and effective resource usage. But Kubernetes is for production. So, if we want to work or build something before sending it to production, it would be good to test it locally. Minikube is a tool which allows us to build and test locally. Minikube is a tool that lets us run Kubernetes locally so that we can try out Kubernetes or for daily development work. So we can think of Minikube as a mini Kubernetes which works on our local machine. Minikube runs a single node Kubernetes cluster on our personal computer, and both master and slave programs run in the same machine. kubectl. kubectl is the Kubernetes command line tool to interact with the Kubernetes cluster. We could use kubectl to deploy applications, inspect and manage cluster resources, and to view logs. Interacting with K8's cluster means interacting with the master node, which manages the Kubernetes cluster. We interact with the master using this command line utility called kubectl. So when working with Kubernetes on production, instead of Minikube, we use managed services like Google Kubernetes Engine or EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service. We still need to use kubectl to interact with master.